Foods. Pizza. A dish of Italian origin consisting of a flat round base of dough baked with tomato sauce and cheese. We ordered a large pepperoni pizza for dinner. Hamburger. A sandwich consisting of cooked ground meat in a sliced bun. He ate a hamburger with fries for lunch. Sushi. A Japanese dish with cold rice and raw fish or vegetables. She loves eating sushi with soy sauce and wasabi. Hot dog. A grilled sausage in a bun with mustard or ketchup. I got a hot dog from the vending machine. Mac and cheese. Pasta with creamy cheese sauce. Mac and cheese is my favorite comfort food. Fried chicken. Chicken coated in batter and deep fried. We had crispy fried chicken for dinner. Pancakes. Flat cakes cooked on a griddle, served with syrup. She made pancakes for breakfast. Corn dog. A hot dog on a stick coated in cornmeal batter and fried. Kids love eating corn dogs at fairs. Meatloaf. A baked dish made of ground meat mixed with breadcrumbs and spices, shaped like a loaf. My mom makes the best meatloaf in the world. Mashed potatoes. Boiled potatoes mashed with butter, milk, and salt until smooth. She served mashed potatoes with gravy. Tater tots. Small cylinders of grated potatoes that are deep fried until crispy. Kids love crispy tater tots with ketchup. Jambalaya. A spicy rice dish from Louisiana made with meat, seafood, and vegetables. I tried jambalaya for the first time in New Orleans. Nachos. Tortilla chips topped with melted cheese, salsa, beans, and sometimes meat. We shared a big plate of nachos at the party. Bagel with cream cheese. A chewy bread roll with a hole in the middle, often served with cream cheese. I had a bagel with cream cheese and coffee. Cobb salad. A mixed salad with lettuce, chicken, bacon, eggs, avocado, and blue cheese. She ordered a Cobb salad for lunch. Thanks for watching. Keep learning, keep improving. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.